Hey everybody, it's Jennifer with a 2 for Tuesday homophone lesson. Homophones are words that are pronounced exactly the same way. They just have different spellings and different meanings. We have two words today. We have premier, which means first in importance or rank or the head of a government, and premiere, the first public performance or showing. I usually say these words as premier, but some people say premier. Either is fine. The difference here is going to be syllable stress. So let's practice these as premier, and then we'll practice them as premier as well. All right. Our ending syllable is going to have the same pronunciation. It is going to be mere, mere, mere. So I say an ear, ear, ear to end it. Like I'm saying the word ear. Mere, mere, mere. I'm moving my mouth a lot, so that might sound a little bit different if I say it quickly and say mere. So you can hear, I almost sound like I have two syllables if I'm saying it really slowly. It's just one syllable, mere. All right, now for the beginning, you can either say this unstressed with the schwa, the sound, mere, premier, premier, premier. Or you can stress syllable one and say premier, premier, premier. So I have premier, 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 premier. All right, so let's give those each a try. Premier, 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 premier. All right, and now for a sentence. The film premiere featured the country's premier director. Give it a try. I know people are going to notice the difference. I'm going to put a quiz below. Tell me, do you stress syllable one or syllable two, or do you switch it up and do both? Let me know. Thanks so much, everyone, for being here. Have an amazing day.